Today I will show you how to match the color of your portrait photo with the color of the background image. This is the original portrait photo and this is the background image. Open your portrait photo and background image in Photoshop. In the beginning, we will click on the filter menu. I will click on neural filter. Then I will click on the harmonization filter. From here, click on the switch icon to next to it. Next, click on the select layer drop down menu. Select the background image from now on. Wait a minute. Done. All this is done by clicking the OK button. Here before and here after. Thank you for watching the video.